This video is all about installing custom kitchen cabinets. Installing new cabinets in your kitchen to a great extent can enhance the look and usefulness of your kitchen. Installation of wall-based cabinets. This step is very important because of the simple fact that a kitchen cabinet without a required proportionate size or shape is of no use. Determining the right position for the kitchen cabinets is a very important aspect of installation. You can use the other empty floor space for installation of lower-level kitchen cabinets. Search for the studs in the wall. For the wall cabinets, the first thing you must do is to attach a temporary supporting bar the size of the cabinet's length. Prepare several single cabinets and then combine them together by placing them on a horizontal surface. Make a sub-assembly. Once you have fixed the cabinets to a flat surface and attached it permanently with help of screw and screwdriver, then you have to secure the overhead cabinets. Installation of custom kitchen cabinets is relatively straightforward and follows basic steps such as: for installing base cabinets, you must locate the highest point on the floor. You must draw a straight line on the wall to mark the top of the base cabinets. Cabinets are preset collectively before fasteners are installed. Shims and levels are used for positioning as well as leveling the cabinets. Once the level of the cabinets is perfectly correct, then you can fasten the cabinets to the wall. The last step is to install the entire remaining fixtures like doors, drawers, partition, shelves and hardware. All these above steps are simple and can be easily used to install any type of cabinetry.